Hi friends, once upon a time, people used to say Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, which means India and China are brothers. This was till 1962. So what happened after then? Why India and China fought with each other and is still continuing till now? So let's discuss the reason behind it. In 1947, India got its independence, and at the same time, in 1949, China also got its independence. Before the independence of China, there was one civil war that happened between communists and nationalists. In the end, communists won the war and formed the People's Republic of China. In another hand, nationalists went to Taiwan and there formed a new country called the Republic of China. After then, there was a good relationship between India and China. In starting, Indians supported China in many ways. In fact, India was offered veto power by the United Nations, but Jawaharlal Nehru refused it by telling India is not an allied country, suggested to give it to China. But now, China is misusing that veto power against India in many ways. In 1950, China added Tibet to its territory, claiming historical rights over it. At that time, Tibet was ruled by spiritual leader Dalai Lama. But India protested by sending a letter to China, but China was even more active in deploying troops and gradually occupied Tibet. Before occupying Tibet, China only shared the border with India in the area of Ladakh, but now it was sharing the border with India in the area of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Northeast. At that time, India was so concerned about its relation with China that Jawaharlal Nehru didn't raise any concern. In 1954, Nehru and Chinese Premier Zhou Enlai signed a treaty popularly known as Panchshil that outlined 5 principles of peaceful coexistence. India acknowledged China's role in Tibet. It was at that time when Jawaharlal Nehru promotes the slogan Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai. In a place of Arunachal Pradesh now in India, at that time they call it NEFA, N-E-F-A, there was a border between India and China which is called as McMahon Line. That line was created by British India, China and Tibet. But after independence of China, the communist government disagreed with it. In September 1957, one article was published in a Chinese government newspaper, People Republic, that they have built one road between Xinjiang to Tibet and that road goes in between Aksai Chin, but for India it's their territory. Tension increased between the two nations. In 1959, in Tibet, people started protesting against Chinese soldiers, but Chinese soldiers defended them. By seeing this situation, Dalai Lama came to India and Indian government welcomed Dalai Lama in their open arms, which China didn't like. After then, in 1960, Zhou Enlai visited India where he gave a proposal about Aksai, which will be with China, and NEFA will be with India, which was rejected by Nehru. After then, multiple conflicts and issues happened in India and China border. As a result, the relationship between India and China got more tense day by day. On 20th October 1962, Chinese People's Republic Army invaded India in Ladakh and across the McMahon Line in India. Till that time, India was confident about not having a war. As a result, they were not well prepared and only deployed 2 divisions of troops in that region. And China also disconnected the telephone line of the Indian army so that they can't communicate with Indian headquarters. Then the war continued for 1 month. In that war, India lost around 3,000 soldiers. On 21st November 1962, China announced unilateral ceasefire, which means stopping the war. And then the Chinese army, which came 60 km inside of Arunachal Pradesh, went back along with 20 km back from McMahon Line and emptied the McMahon Line. But Aksai Chin was in full control of China from hereafter, as China army didn't go beyond LAC line of actual control. Till today, Chinese army is guarding over LAC and Indian army is also standing on the other side of LAC. The biggest reason being China declared unilateral ceasefire is that showcase of power over territory dispute of China. China can fight with anybody for its territory dispute, and they got success over this by acquiring Aksai Chin. Second reason was in fear of USA entering the fight, as Nehru asked help to John F. Kennedy and he was thinking to send USA fighter plan in support of India. Third was UK and USSR also supported India at that time. As a result, the impact on India was Jawaharlal Nehru's prestige suffered a huge blow in both national and international ways. He was famous as a statesman and diplomat, but due to his huge trust in China, made him suffer. Even till now, people are blaming Nehru for this loss due to war. And also, India started to strengthen its military power and weapon system like DRDO. India also became aware of China as it's one more threat apart from Pakistan. Maybe in future China and Pakistan can attack India. But unfortunately, now also the Cold War is going on between India and China over territory dispute. We hope in future this will not repeat, as both countries now have nuclear power. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends. Bye bye.